SIBS stands for Scandinavian Industrialized Building Systems. So we're an IBS-focused company devoted to modular construction. So since inception, we've been taking on the challenge to revolutionize the construction industry by creating the concept of construction technology. So by implementing both Volvo's proprietary building system linked together with a production system here in Malaysia.
Our peak performance during our production output is about 50 modular house that out from the factory every day. So imagine how long that we need to construct a house by using the conventional way.
Size does really matter because our module is actually wider compared to a standard container size. From here to KL, it's actually the main challenges would be the escort.